Well, hello. I am getting ready to go and see my friends down in Southeast Alaska, Louie and Bex, who you guys know as Out Seeking Rainbows and Adventure Time Louie. And if you don't know who they are, you should definitely go and check them out. But I haven't even settled into my place yet. I haven't even given you guys a tour, which I won't be doing until I come back because I'm waiting for my computer chair to finish it all off. But here I am. I just want to kind of jump on here. It's just so much packing. I'm only taking one bag, like a small bag. I'm taking more camera equipment than I am clothing. That lets you know like the mission that I'm on. I'm even going to take my GoPro chesty because I have this idea in my head. I'm not sure if it'll pan out or not. The weather, it just kind of depends on the weather and everything, but I have this idea in my head of doing a video that kind of shows a little bit of, I want to dive more, let me just say, I want to dive more into some cinematography type things where I'm showing you guys a lot more. And of course, bringing you guys some great photographs. I know I've been slacking. Guys, I've just been on the road. I've just been discombobulated in life. And now that I'm here inside of the cabin, I feel that I have time and I feel my creative juices kind of coming back. And when I get back, I'll be doing a full cabin tour. So from van life to cabin life. Crazy. It's so weird being in this cabin and having a real refrigerator and having a washer and dryer and all the little things that people who live in houses take for granted. But I'll get back to that a little later. So next time you guys see me, I will be in Southeast Alaska. Talk to you soon. I made it to Southeast Alaska and yay! Out with my peeps! And we're already out and about and it's so beautiful here. I kind of miss Southeast Alaska a little bit, because the trees and the rain, but they get a lot of rain. So I'm out hanging with the girls. Oops, almost tripped and fell because I'm clumsy. but I just thought I'd pop in, catch up with you guys. And
we're taking her to the
where are we going?
Reservoir.
Oh, we're going to the reservoir.
Yeah. Water.
Oh, why am I so close to my face? Whoa! I zoomed in by accident. I'm like, why do I see myself so closely? Yes, they're taking me to the reservoir.
And now it's raining.
Yes, it's raining. It's beautiful.
You're so funny because we live in the rainforest and you're like, it's raining again. I don't mean it isn't.
So I'm here in the forest. This is the Tongass National Forest. Just kind of walking through. I got my camera. I want to try to get some nice pictures of things here in the rainforest. And the Tongass National Forest, by the way, is the largest national forest in the U.S. It's 16.7 million acres, and it's located in the southeastern portion of Alaska. And they have the largest old growth forest here. It is absolutely gorgeous and it's raining, so perfect day to get out and try to take some pictures here in the forest and see what I can get. Hi guys, so as you can see I'm in the rainforest right now. We are taking a trail up to a couple of lakes. I think they call it the 3-Lake Trail, and it is so beautiful in here. You can hear the sounds in the background. Truly foresty. I'm in this shaded area, have the sun coming through. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're actually going to do some type of photo challenge between us. It's like a fall photo challenge, but it's been so nice hanging out with them and just seeing where they live. It's been absolutely beautiful, and being back in the rainforest, I absolutely love it. So right now we are in the Tongass National Forest, and it is absolutely beautiful here. There's like western hemlocks and red cedar trees, and it's just amazing. So let's get started on this little walk, and I'll show you guys what we're doing today. Being out here just gives me all the feels. It's like so peaceful and quiet, right? And the views are amazing. I think I'm getting some pretty good pictures. I just brought today, I just have my drone with me. My DJI drone is inside of my sling here, and I have my Canon 5D Mark IV with my lens, the 24 to 105 millimeter. Just trying to get some candid shots, some wide angle shots, and the beauty is just everywhere. It is absolutely amazing. There's like reflections off of the lake, and it's just a really good vibe. I hope that you're enjoying Southeast Alaska and these beautiful outdoor environment that we're in, and you're getting a little bit of peace. I also hope that you're enjoying the photographs and all of the footage as well. But let's continue on our way, make our way to the second lake that we're going to be going to today. Ooh.
Or heron.
No, that's just, yeah, that's him. He just landed on the tree. Oh yeah, I see it.
I always love when they do that. Go, you can do it. It's fun. I love being in the pool.
Where? Oh, that one is huge. This place is amazing. Holy crap. I could like spend time. So we have seen a great blue heron, a juvenile eagle, and we saw a porcupine that was right down here. Wow, and there's another great blue heron over there. He's just kind of flying around in the lake there. What an amazing place. So I'm using my Rebel G. This is a film camera. So I'm using Rebel G. It has a macro 100 millimeter lens on it, but I'm just going to be taking pictures, just random pictures in the forest. I'm actually using a Cinestill 800T in there, so I can kind of figure out how it looks in nature. So, but this is amazing here. And then I have my digital camera as a backup. But let's continue on.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.